Alright, so I finally got the M5 in the shop here. We're going to bleed the brake, and then hopefully it should be ready to hit the road. I think that's the only thing we need to get done anymore yet before it's safe on the road. So let's get started. Okay, so looking what we got here. Rotors look pretty good. They are fairly grooved. You can kind of see that they got a pretty good lip on, but I think they'll be good for at least the pads that are on. Pads look pretty much brand new. Up in here we got H&R lowering springs on it. So everything's looking pretty good under here. I'm gonna get back in here to the bleeder screw right there and get these things bled. Okay, so what I've done here is open the bleed screw right here. It's an 11mm. Then I've got my can on here to catch the fluid. Okay, so here we're doing the last brake, which is the front left. So they'll tell me here to open the front left open bleeding screw. We got that done. So to actuate the brake pedal. Then you hear the ABS pump running. Alright, and that is the end. It's telling us here to close the bleeding screw, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to close it now. Now we're going to drop it down, torque them, and check the air pressure. Then we'll be ready to get that out of the shop and see how it looks and how the brakes feel.